Samsung has just unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8. And all three phones are available in 4 different colors. We already have separate hands-on videos covering the design, specifications and everything new. So this video is focused entirely on the different finishes and which one stands out the most in person. Welcome back to SamMobile TV, you're here with Max. Starting with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, Samsung is offering the phone in violet shadow, cream, graphite and violet green. Violet shadow is the main launch color. It is a dark purple finish that gives the Fold 8 Ultra a bit more character while still looking premium and understated. Cream is the brightest option and gives the phone a very clean look, while graphite is the safest choice and works particularly well with the more professional design of the Ultra. But my personal favorite is violet green. It is quite a dark and subtle shade, so it does not immediately look bright green, and depending on the lighting it can almost appear black or graphite before the green becomes more visible. That makes it distinctive without being too flashy, and I think it suits the Fold 8 Ultra really well. However, violet green is exclusive to Samsung.com, so will not be available through other retailers. The regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 is available in lavender, cream, graphite and pistachio. Lavender gives the phone a softer and slightly more colorful appearance, while cream once again is the clean and minimal option. Pistachio is probably the most interesting color in this lineup. It is a light green finish and immediately stands out compared to the more traditional colors. It looks really nice, especially if you want the phone to feel a little less serious. But personally, I would probably still choose graphite. The darker finish works well with the Fold 8's design, looks sleek when the phone is closed and is unlikely to become distracting over time. Pistachio is also exclusive to Samsung.com, while lavender, cream and graphite will be available more widely. And finally, the Galaxy Z Flip 8. It comes in pink, cream, graphite and mint. Pink is clearly the most playful option and the one standing out from the rest. Cream is softer and more neutral, while graphite gives the Flip 8 a much more minimalistic and sleek appearance. Mint is the more interesting alternative. It adds some color without being overly bright, and the light green finish works nicely with the larger cover display. And mint is also exclusive to Samsung.com, so it will not be available from other retailers. Overall, Samsung has gone in a noticeably different direction with this year's color lineup. Instead of the more punchy blue and red finishes we saw last year, most of the new options are much lighter and more understated. Cream, lavender, pistachio, pink and mint all give the new foldables a softer look, while graphite and violet shadow remain the darkest options. Do you prefer these lighter finishes, or would you rather see Samsung bring back some bolder colors? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to SamMobile for more coverage of Samsung's latest foldable phones. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.